The journey begins on cocoa farms, where ripe cocoa pods grow on trees in warm tropical climates under natural sunlight. In this video, we explore the complete chocolate-making process step by step, from cocoa farming to final packaging in a modern industrial environment. Each stage is carefully controlled using automated systems, ensuring consistent quality, taste, and texture in every single chocolate bar produced. The journey begins on cocoa farms, where ripe cocoa pods grow on trees in warm tropical climates under natural sunlight. Farmers carefully harvest the cocoa pods by hand, ensuring only fully ripened pods are selected for the best chocolate production quality. The harvested pods are opened to reveal cocoa beans inside, surrounded by a soft, pulp-like layer that protects them naturally. These cocoa beans are then removed and spread out under sunlight, where they are dried to reduce moisture content gradually. Proper drying is essential, as it prepares the beans for safe storage and transport to large-scale chocolate manufacturing facilities. Once dried, the cocoa beans are packed into sacks and transported to a modern industrial chocolate factory for further processing. At the factory, the beans are unloaded and inspected to ensure they meet strict quality standards before entering the production line. Automated cleaning machines remove dust, stones, and other impurities, ensuring only clean cocoa beans move forward in the process. The beans are then transferred onto conveyor belts, where they move efficiently through the different stages of production. This automated system allows continuous processing, increasing efficiency and maintaining consistency in large-scale chocolate manufacturing operations. The cleaned cocoa beans enter roasting machines, where controlled heat enhances their natural flavor and aroma significantly. As the beans roast, their outer shells loosen, making it easier to separate them during the next stage of processing. The roasting process also develops the rich chocolate taste that forms the base of all chocolate products. Careful temperature control ensures the beans are roasted evenly without burning, preserving their quality and flavor. Steam and heat rise during roasting, creating the intense aroma commonly associated with freshly processed chocolate. Once roasting is complete, the beans are cooled slightly before moving to the crushing and separation stage. The roasted cocoa beans are crushed to break their outer shells and reveal small pieces known as cocoa nibs. These cocoa nibs are separated from the shells using specialized machines, ensuring only the edible portion is processed further. These cocoa nibs are separated from the shells using specialized machines, ensuring only the edible portion is processed further. The nibs contain natural cocoa butter, which plays a key role in transforming them into liquid chocolate. Under heat and pressure, the nibs are ground into a thick paste, releasing cocoa butter and forming liquid chocolate. This smooth and flowing mixture is often called chocolate liquor, forming the base for all chocolate products. The liquid chocolate continues moving through the system, ready for blending with other ingredients in the next stage. At this stage, ingredients such as sugar and milk are added to the liquid chocolate to enhance flavor and sweetness. The mixture is blended thoroughly using industrial machines to achieve a consistent and balanced taste profile. Proper mixing ensures that all ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the chocolate, improving overall quality. The texture begins to smooth out further, preparing the chocolate for refining and conching processes ahead. This step plays a crucial role in defining the final taste and mouthfeel of the chocolate product. The chocolate mixture enters a conching machine, where it is continuously stirred and aerated for several hours. This process improves the texture, removing unwanted acidity and enhancing the smoothness of the chocolate. As the chocolate moves inside the machine, it becomes more refined and develops a richer flavor profile. The extended mixing creates a silky consistency, making the chocolate more enjoyable to eat and visually appealing. Once conching is complete, the chocolate is perfectly smooth and ready to be shaped into final products. Molten chocolate is poured into molds in a continuous flow, ensuring each mold is filled evenly with smooth liquid chocolate. On the automated conveyor system, chocolate flows precisely into each mold, maintaining consistent quantity and perfect shape. The filled molds gently vibrate to remove air bubbles, helping create a smooth and flawless surface on every chocolate bar. As the chocolate settles, its glossy surface evens out, forming a uniform layer that prepares it for the cooling stage. The filled molds continue moving along the production line, carrying the liquid chocolate forward for the next step in the process. The molds enter a cooling tunnel where temperature is carefully controlled to begin solidifying the liquid chocolate. Cold air circulates around the molds, gradually reducing the temperature and allowing the chocolate to harden evenly. As the cooling continues, the chocolate transforms from a glossy liquid into a firm and perfectly structured solid bar. Once fully solidified, the chocolate bars are released from the molds and transferred smoothly onto the conveyor belt. The solid chocolate bars move along a high-speed conveyor, heading toward the automated packaging section of the factory. Each chocolate bar enters a wrapping machine where it is covered in protective foil to maintain freshness and quality. The wrapped chocolate bars are sealed tightly, with shiny packaging that protects the product and enhances its visual appeal. Automated systems sort and place the packaged chocolate bars into boxes, preparing them for storage and shipment. The boxed chocolate products move through the final stage of the production line, ready for large-scale distribution worldwide. These finished chocolates are now ready to reach stores and customers, completing their journey from raw beans to delicious treats.